How do flocks of birds move together as one? What if no intelligent decision-making is necessary to establish collective motion? Surprisingly, even synthetic particles can display similar behavior, and we can understand it using statistical physics. This system of particles follows the so-called Vicsek model. Initially, the particles move in random directions, represented by little arrows. Similar to interacting magnets, each arrow aligns its orientation with the average orientation of its nearest neighbors, although with some random error. The result is remarkable. Despite no initial preference for any direction, the system can quickly develop a clear orientational order. Learn more about this effect in the Structures blog.